Ready for another workout that you can do in about 5 minutes? I'm going to try to make it less. 3 moves. Let's do this. Starting with a front plank rocker. Bring your elbows underneath your shoulders and then walk your knees back. So your back is flat, or you can lift your knees up off the floor. We're going to rock forward and back. You're going to push forward and back. That's 1. Forward and back. That's 2. Forward and back. That's 3. Keep it going. 4. And 5. Make sure to breathe. 6. Don't let those hips droop. 7. 8. Going to 10. 9. Last one. All right. Lower your knees and walk up to your hands. I'm going to have you bring one knee in, extend the other leg back, and put your heel to the ground. Side plank position. You can have on your hand on your hip or reach your arm up. I like hand on hip for stability. And we're going to lift that top leg up. Tap it down. That's 1. Going for 10. Up and down. That's 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Doesn't matter how high you go. 8. The key is to feel your glutes working. 9. And 10. Oh, that was faster than I thought. Last move, we're going to do an oblique V-up. So I want you to start by leaning back like you're in a letter V position with your body. We're going to reach the hands to one side, then roll back. You're going to roll back, then lift up, go to the other side. You're going to roll back, then sit up, roll to the other side. That's 2. Roll back, lift up, and twist. 3. Roll back, lift up, and twist. That's 4. We're going to 20 this time. 5, because of course each side is 10. Lift up for 6. And 7. And 8. I'm almost regretting doing 20. And 9. I'm rolling back here. 10. Okay, halfway there. 11. 12. It's starting to get hard to come up. 13. 14. 15. 16. Oh my gosh, almost 17. 18. Last 2. Oh yeah. Last one. And done. Woo. If we do more than 5 minutes, then it's because of that move. Let's go back to the plank. Knees or toes. Rocking forward and back. Let's go. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. I'm sliding. 8. 9. And 10. Release. Let's hit that second side on the side plank. Remember to stack your hand underneath your shoulder. Top leg is long. Hand on hip or up. Going to go 1. And 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 2 more. 9. And 10. Release. Come on down to your back. I'm going to give you an alternative to the sit-up in case the sit-up feels like too much. You're going to roll back. If you remember, we're going to lift up and then reach to one side. Crunch instead of sit up if you want. You're going to lean back and then crunch to the other side. That's 2. Lean back, crunch or sit up. That's 3. Lean back, crunch or sit up. That's 4. Let's go. Down and up for 5. Down and up for 6. Keep it going. If you need to slow down, you can. 7. 8. I feel like this is going a little bit faster this time. 9, but I don't want to jinx myself. 10. Ooh, halfway there. 11, 12. Sorry about the heavy breathing, but this is hard. 13, 14, almost there. 15, 16, 17, 18, two more, hang with me. 19, last one, and 20. Oh my gosh. Whew, that was a good one. Oh, is your belly feeling it like mine is? Oh my gosh. Okay, fam, if you like this workout, make sure to like this video and share it with someone you know who could use another ab workout as well. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time a new workout or yoga practice comes out. Good luck, everybody. I'll see you in the next one.